Hi, welcome to Optimum Healthy Lifestyle. Today, I'm going to share with you about how to stay healthy and how to avoid chronic diseases. Now, JS Wellness and Cell Nutrition believes in holistic health and nutrition for optimum healthy lifestyle. So we believe that you want to be healthy, you must stay in optimum healthy lifestyle. How to live an optimum healthy lifestyle. So you just listen carefully. I'm going to share with you this short presentation. Hopefully it helps you and help you to get more knowledge and understanding about how to stay healthy, how to live in optimum healthy lifestyle. Now, living well with optimum health is possible for anyone who is willing to make serious personal commitment and to take full responsibility for his or her own well-being. So as long as you are willing to take responsibility, you are serious about your health, then you will be able to stay healthy. The problem with people is that, many people, they have learned something about health, learn something about how to live healthy, but yet they continue to live in an unhealthy lifestyle. They continue to eat things that shouldn't be eaten into their body, toxicity and all that stuff. But, people continue to live a wrong kind of lifestyle. That's why people get sick. So living and staying healthy is no longer an option in life. We must cultivate and live an optimal healthy lifestyle to enjoy the best of life. That's why it's true. Today, living and staying healthy is no longer an option in life because sicknesses and disease is so serious now. Look at what the World Health Organization has already announced. This chronic disease has hit 74% high. That means out of every 100 person who die, 74 of them died because of chronic disease. So can you imagine every 100 deaths in the world, 74 of them died because of sicknesses or chronic disease. So this is very serious. That's why we got to take health, as very serious thing in our life today. There is no more options, no longer an option in life. We have to make a decision. Either you are healthy or you're not. So this is very important. Your daily eating habits and your daily lifestyle shape who you are today. True or not? It's very true. So what you eat into your body, you are what you eat, as somebody said. So whatever you eat into your body, you taken into your body. That's why it shapes your body. How you live a lifestyle, you also shape your body. So your health. So cultivating the right eating habits and lifestyle will help you look young, feel young, stay young, and living in optimal healthy lifestyle. Now, life's greatest wealth is health. I always tell people, yes, this is very true. Wealth, you can have all the money, but if you're not healthy, then your money will be gone, soon. So great wealth are built upon the foundation of good health. This is very important concept that everyone must understand. Health is not everything, but without good health, everything will be lost. True or not? It's very true. So as I said, you can have all the wealth, you can all the money, the day you fall down, the day you get sick, all your money gone, you'll be sucked by the hospital, just gone. Lately I have one friend who suddenly get sick and went into hospital for diagnosis test. Just going into 2 different hospitals to test. Just staying one night here, one night there, 2 nights only. It cost 36,000. Almost 38,000 in actual fact. Cost almost 38,000 just staying 2 nights in 1 night this hospital, another night another hospital. Can you imagine? And ultimately, after diagnosis that, then she went to another hospital, in Penang, and then the doctor say, yeah, there's no more cure because of cancer. So what happened? Ultimately, in less than 3 weeks, she's just no more. So can you imagine? Health is very important. Someone once said, you may have all the talents needed to conquer the world, but without good health, nothing but just empty talk. It's very true. So I believe everyone desires to live a healthy, youthful, energetic, and blessed life, right? That is what everybody desires to have. Now, according to the statistics, this is what I shared just now. Chronic disease accountable for 74% of death globally. That means every 100 global population deaths, 74 die of chronic diseases. This has posed a very serious threat globally. So chronic disease has become the 3rd largest threat globally. This is very serious. So as I said, every 100 global population deaths, 74 of them died of chronic disease. So can you imagine this is getting very serious now? And this is Malaysian report, according to Malaysia Ministry of Health. 74% of death in Malaysia caused by non-communicable disease, NCDs. See, 35% is heart cardiovascular disease, 16% cancers, 4% chronic respiratory disease, 3% diabetes, and so on. So the three highs in Malaysia: diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol. 50% Malaysian adults are overweight or obese. Now, this is very serious. All these are actually chronic disease, which is actually increasing every day in our society, in the world. So cardiovascular disease, the world's #1 killer, is very serious. You go Google and search yourself, you'll find all these facts. In USA 2000. Now, by the way, this one I done this research about 10 years ago. Now I think even worse. Okay. Now this is 10 years ago report. In USA, 2,200 deaths a day, averaging 1 death every 40 seconds. Cardiovascular, it can be heart attack, stroke, high blood pressure, whatever. Everything do with your cardiovascular system. So 1 death every 40 seconds. UK every day 436 deaths. If you divide into all this stuff, you find that 18 deaths per hour, every 3 to 4 minutes, 1 death. Australia kill 1 every 12 minutes. New Zealand 19 minutes, 1 death. Malaysia every year 22,701. Every day 62 deaths. Every 1 hour 2.5 deaths. This report was taken about 10 years ago. You try to go Google and search, you will see the number, the facts, the data is even worse now. So cardiovascular disease has taken away a lot of life. Today, you see people just drop dead, just like that. Irregardless of age, it can be young, it can be old, whatever, 10 over years old, drop down and just dead, just like that, because of cardiovascular problem. You can see this is very serious. And obesity trigger chronic disease crisis. According to World Health Organization, obesity or overweight will cause a person to have this kind of sicknesses, chronic disease, gout, osteoarthritis, diabetic, stroke, heart disease, cancer, high blood pressure, and fatty liver, even death. Can you see that? So these are the threat, of disease, chronic disease, on those who are obese or those who are overweight. So if you are obese or overweight, you must find way to get rid of those unnecessary fats in your body. Now, according to Cancer Research United Kingdom, being overweight or obese can cause 13 types of cancer. This is already confirmed. This was confirmed by Cancer Research United Kingdom. Being obese or overweight can cause 13 types of cancer. So if you are overweight or obese, you must find way to get rid of those excessive fats in your body, okay, to stay healthy. Now, this is important. And childhood obesity, you look at that, 1 in 3, 1 in 3 11-year-olds is overweight or obese in the world. This is also very serious. Can you see that? Even kids now. And heart attack is #1 killer now. You see people just drop down dead, this like that. In Malaysia, 18 years and above, about 3.6 million people are having diabetes problem. Today, diabetes skyrocketing, It's getting worse because of the lifestyle and eating habit. People eat too much sugar. Eat a lot of processed carbohydrate, rice, noodles, kway teow, bread, biscuit. All these are processed carbohydrate. All these processed carbohydrate, actually, they are nothing but just sugar. Because after they process, actually, there's nothing in it, no nutrients. Whatever you eat are just carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are actually complex sugar. When it goes into your body, it actually breaks down to become glucose. And your pancreas has to produce a hormone called insulin to bring those excessive sugar to your cells to be processed, to turn into ATP. But the problem is when the excessive processed carbohydrate keep coming in, a lot of sugar coming into your bloodstream. So what happens as your pancreas continue to produce a lot of insulin to bring the sugar to the cells to try to turn into ATP, adenosine triphosphate, to give you energy. The problem is when there are excessive of sugar, then your cells will close the door. When your cell close the door, don't allow the sugar to come in, then that is where your bloodstream spike in sugar and you get into diabetes problem. So this is very serious. So you got to, if you are eating a lot of processed carbohydrate, rice, noodles, bihun, kway teow, bread, biscuit, all this stuff. If you eat a lot of these processed carbs, I really want to encourage you, better stop this. I don't eat rice, I don't eat rice. Already for quite a while, I never eat rice. You say, don't eat rice, how? We can survive without rice. I eat a lot of vegetables and fruits, I eat high protein and high fiber food every day. So to stay healthy, you eat high fiber, high protein is the best. Processed carbohydrate, don't eat, you eat those natural carbohydrate. You get carbohydrate from banana, from papaya, from potatoes. These are natural carbohydrates. Remember, eat natural. Eat natural. Don't eat processed food. Anything in the supermarket that's already packed nicely, either in package or in bottle, in can. These are all processed. And you go and read the label. You read the label carefully, but there are loopholes in it. You read the label carefully. There's very high preservative, very high sugar, very high trans fat. So these are killing people now. That's why a lot of sicknesses today because of all this stuff. So, 65% of Chinese having this hepatitis B problem, and these are cancer spike in Malaysia also. All these are sicknesses and disease that continue to spike in everyday life in Malaysia. Now, according to the global cancer statistic, the worldwide an estimated 19.3 million new cancer cases. Can you imagine the new cancer cases in 2020? Just new cancer cases alone already 19.3 million. How about the old one never calculated yet? That is very serious. Just 1 year. Within 1 year, 2020, 1 year only already 19.3 million. How about 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024? Can you imagine? It's every year. So let's say it's 1 year, 19.3 million. It piles up, since 2020 until today, 5 years. So this 19.3 times 5, look at the figure, it's so huge. So that means people who get cancer is more and more every day on the increase because of the lifestyle and the eating habit. That's why I want to encourage you to eat natural. Eat natural. Eat a lot of fresh organic fruits and vegetables. Eat natural fruit. You want to buy something, go and look for natural stuff. Don't buy processed. Processed are all filled with nothing but sugar, preservative, colorings, etc., etc. All those are toxic that goes into your body. It kills your cells. So this is for Ministry of Health. You go to Google, you can find this PDF file. I download from Google actually. This is 2012 to 2016 report, Malaysia National Cancer Registry report. Estimated 133 cancers per day, every day in Malaysia. You see, from 0 to 4 years old, already 770 cases for male, for female, 578. 0 to 4 years old, even baby also cannot run away from cancer. Can you imagine? It get worse. These are the report. So according to report, and data and facts, estimated next 10 years, next 10 years, cancer will spike, double or triple. This is even worse. So you got to take care. So, living a healthy lifestyle is no more an option. We must get serious with our health. We must eat natural and we must take proper supplement.
That's all for today. Always remember this. You are born to win, engineer for success, destined to be somebody great in life. All things are possible in life. You are born to be a winner. May God bless you with great success, wealth, health and prosperity all the days of your life. Remember to subscribe, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching.